So I am working on replacing my windshield wipers today on the Honda Element. I usually get mine from Rock Auto, but I got this year's wipers from Costco. Getting the car ready for state inspection. You see that we have 20 inches here that are mounted, and uh, I will do a comparison of these wipers when I pull these off. The trick here when you go to remove them is you'll pull up on this arm. It articulates there, and the wiper slides back, but it does get locked on when you mount it. And so you're going to look for there's a button right here, and usually press it in or out. This particular one, you push it out away from the wiper end, and it should unlock it. Yeah, so doing everything one-handed here. And then you just you press it down like that, and it kind of works its way out. And so, yeah, that's the mechanism. And then to reinstall it, you just kind of work it back in like this, and then pull up on it till it locks. And so I think it feels a little cheaper from Rock Auto. It is a metal arm compared to a plastic arm from the one from Costco. This is Michelin, and this is Anco here. I'll scroll through in Rock Auto. The rears, you'll see the 20s go on the front, and the rear one that sits on the back is a 12-inch wiper. And these ones here came with this. I thought it was a nice touch, just a plastic edge piece for the edge of the wiper. And this will slide on the same way. You'll look for the attachment here, look for the piece that it attaches onto, and we'll just kind of work that on. And I think it locked into place. Seems nice and firm. And this is the rear wiper here. It is a different style of wiper. I'm not going to replace it this year, but you'll look for the release button wherever you can feel around for it. I think the one is here. You pull up on that, and then the wiper will slide back off of the arm. So I went to Walmart, and I could not find a 12-inch windshield wiper. So you can go to a couple of different places here as ideas. Here's Rock Auto. Here's the 12-inch wiper blades. There's all sorts of different ones with the different price points. You can also get the 20-inch wiper there as well. I will put a link to eBay for this as well. So the Honda Element, you can get a set of 3. You can just get the rear one. And yeah, I hope that helps. I needed this help when I first got my first car a lot of years ago. And I know a lot of young people get Honda Elements as their first car because they're passed down through their family. And so I wish you the best, and keep that thing running. And let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.